tomorrow's game day weather. But Mark, tonight could get a little bumpy for us.
Well, just a decent amount of rain and a few rumbles of thunder, and that's why I've issued the weather aware, and that of course covers for high school football as well as the overnight hours. I don't expect anything severe, but the potential for lightning as well as some gusty winds not out of the question with a few of these isolated thunder showers. Let's go out to the graphics. I want to show you what it looks like across the southeast, and there is a lot of water that is falling, not just necessarily in Alabama, but more so back into Mississippi as well as into Louisiana. That's all out ahead of a cold front, which is headed towards the state, and it's actually going to become a little more elongated. But we had rain earlier, which was pretty heavy around downtown Birmingham, but the showers now have shifted over into our eastern counties and a new development back down into Bibb County. So let's put tracks on these. You'll see Heflin, you'll get the rain in about 4 minutes, Folsom in about 26 minutes, and then eventually Hooper we'll see roughly in about 30 minutes. And this is the batch of showers that is just to the north of Brent, crossing over 5. It's headed towards Montevallo. You'll see it within the next 10 to 12 minutes, Calera within 30 minutes, and then Springs Junction in about a half an hour. Now there's a bigger cluster of rain, and this is moving through Marion County, all of Marion County from Hackleburg back into Hamilton, down towards Guin, as well as Twin. You will all get this rain as it's tracking towards the east. Brilliant in about 11 minutes, and then eventually Natural Bridge within the next 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, but you get the idea. That's all tracking towards the east. Here is a look at our Storm Track Futurecast. This has been something we've been watching very carefully here in the Weather Center, simply because of the fact we will have so many people in Tuscaloosa for the game. Tonight at 10 o'clock, for those of you who are tailgating or maybe even headed out to a high school football game, chance of showers and thunder showers likely. Look at the coverage, and again, nothing severe here, but certainly a good downpour or two, and that will last through the night tonight. That does include Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Gadsden, as well as Anniston, Jacksonville. You'll see this as well. This is tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. A lot of water still falling around Tuscaloosa, Jefferson, Walker, Etowah counties, and then the rain continues to stream and track towards the north and east. Heavier showers at 10 o'clock around Birmingham, and then as we get into the afternoon, miraculously, the showers start to taper a bit. Doesn't mean we're done with the rain just yet. This is at 4 o'clock, so Tuscaloosa up towards Birmingham along 2059, it will be raining, and then it starts to fall apart. That being said, keep in mind that with the rain falling apart, there's still going to be enough moisture left over. There's still going to be enough cloud cover left over that we will have patches of drizzle before the evening is over. So that will keep everything a bit damp. And then for Sunday, we're back into a good bit more cloud cover. Again, this is the forecast for the Tuscaloosa area. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for tailgating. Decent shot at rain that carries right through the afternoon. But the kickoff, we're back to light rain and drizzle, 55 for the fourth quarter. High school football tonight, good shot at some rain, temperatures into the low and mid 70s. And the Auburn game, it will be played in some rain as well. Temperatures out there will be in the 50s at College Station. Here's your Storm Track 7-day. Chance of rain, it's hanging around right into the first of next week with a high of 55 Monday before we warm up next week. Sherry?